Problem does not block the path. It teaches how to be artist. I repeat, problem does not block the path. It teaches how to be artist. Thank you.